How to change template in Wix. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to change the template that you're using on your Wix website that you are creating under this platform. So first thing, you can open your Wix account and click on go to the website where you can edit the website that you created. So on this part here, normally with Wix com, once you have created a website, you actually are not able to change what template you are currently using for the website that you have. So what you need to do here is, so instead of changing the template, what you can do is simply modify the current template you have. As you can see, you can go onto the left side panel where you can see the tools, and you can go under site design. Here you can simply modify or customize the site theme, like what color it would be. For example, the energetic theme, dynamic, technical. There's a lot of theme for your website that you can choose from in order for you to change and modify your template or the website that you currently have. And that's it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.